2025 of July. This video is going to be about opposing high time frame bias PDs and what they're used for. So recently I had a question, say the daily bias is bullish, we're drawing for this high, and we are entering a opposing gap. Now, the expectation of the person that asked me this was that we'd come up into here, which was correct, but then they expected a move to this low. Now, if your daily bias is bullish, opposing higher time frame PD arrays will be used as a market maker sell model into this leg, and then the market maker buy model out to confirm the daily bias. So we will still use this PD array and react off of it. However, we will not be targeting this low or this low. We would be targeting, it would look something like this on the lower time frame. Come in. I know it's not very good drawing, but the same logic would apply, IRL to ERL, but instead of going for these lows, we would be going for internal, external. So we could either take this external and reverse, or we could take the bottom external and then reverse. But knowing that the higher time frame is bullish, you would not target this lows because these two should be protected in a bullish bias. Now I'll show you this on the chart. This literally happened today. So as you can see here, it's 4 hour gap. Now, same logic, we're bullish, we're targeting these highs, but we've run into an opposing higher time frame bias PD array. So let's now zoom in to what we do. So as you can see, this leg to this is your range, and we do respect it. We provide an entry, we get market structure shift here, you can short the gap, stop at the high, and instead of targeting these lows, because this low should be protected, you can then target this low here. So hopefully that's cleared up, and then obviously when we come into this area, and it's not just this area, look on the higher time frame as well, come into this area, we then continue the higher time frame bullish bias back up to this high. Now obviously we have chopped because it is the end of the session and we've been very volatile. However, I believe on ES it was way cleaner, or maybe Dow. Yeah, this move up really took the high and then kind of chop in again, took the high, same logic. But yeah, hopefully that clears it up. If it didn't make sense, rewatch it. Yeah, peace.